Hello everyone, welcome back to Row Crochet and Crafts. Today we're gonna be making this little cup out of paper and we will need glue. You can use this paper to hold many items. For example, pens. They're gonna be the things I'm gonna be holding in it. So without further ado, let's jump into the process. First, we're gonna be needing to take measurements. For the base, first take 19 centimeters. And then along that side, make sure you mark 12 centimeters, but you're gonna be making two markings, one at 7 and another one at 12, which means after 7, there's gonna be 5 centimeters. Do it on both sides. Now I'm gonna cut it after the 5 centimeter marking. Now in the end, when you marked it 19 centimeters, in that tiny bit, draw a line and cut it off and save it for later. We need it to make the handle of our cup. Now fold it along the line in between the 7 centimeters and the 5 centimeters. Now grab your scissors and in the 5 centimeter part, the shorter one, you cut it into strips up to the line that you've marked. You have to cut it all the way till the end. Now turn it around and stick it together in the end, probably about one strip. Now here you fold each individual strip downwards and starting with the first one, then put some glue on it and then fold the next one down. Make sure you add the tiny drop of glue in the place where you're going to be folding the piece of paper, the strip, down. Also, only a tiny bit of glue is enough and you don't need to be putting it all along it. As you keep doing it, you're gonna see that the base is taking shape and it is forming. In the end, you'll see the flat base in the bottom, and in the inside also you can see it. If you want to, you can stick another piece of paper below it for it to be sturdy. That is, if your paper is very thin and it is unstable. Now remember that bit from earlier that we cut out? Now it's going to be turning into the handle of the cup. So fold a tiny bit of the ends upwards and then put glue on it. And stick it onto the cup. I prefer sticking it along the place where we stuck the cup together in the beginning, along the ends. And this is our cup, and you can decorate it using stickers if you want to, but I'm gonna be drawing simple flowers on it. If you want to, you can also draw a smiley face on the cup. Now I've already filled all the flowers up, and I'm gonna be adding the leaves. You can make any other pattern you want along the cup. And this is our final result. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.